So let's start to explore how we can use in Excel the if Vlookup combination. So the first thing what we're going to do here is look at the scenario here. We have a special discount only if we have a certain quantity. So if we hit 10 pieces or more, we get a discount here, else there's no discount available. To do this, we're going to use two functions, the Vlookup and the if statement, and they both are crucial because one, the Vlookup, will give us the row number, and then the if statement will give us the column number. So let's start to work on this. So let's say we're going to buy 10 pieces of melon and I want to calculate if we get any discount. So I'm going to do here equal, I'm going to say here Vlookup, and then I'm just going to click on the formula builder. And once I click on that one, it selects the item here, and we have now the lookup value. So the lookup value will be the value or the fruit name that I want to apply. Then we have here the table array, which would indicate where can we find the data matching with the fruit name. So then I have selected that. Then we're going to look at the column number. I'm going to hard code a column number because later on we're going to use an if statement to soft code this. We know that if there's a quantity of 10, we get a discount here. So this column would be, this is column 1, column 2, and this is the third column. So we know column number 3. Then we're going to say a range lookup. In this case, I'm going to say false. I want to have an exact match only. So I'm going to click here on done. And it gives us a discount of 10%. But if I put in here 9, you will see here, it will not correspond. So what I'm going to do here now is start to fix this one here. So if I click back here on the formula builder, we have this item here. This here controls it. So if I say number 2, it will change and then it will be 0%. So how can we fix that? So basically in here, I'm going to create an if statement. And we're going to say here the following. If the quantity here is below the value here stated, which is the quantity of 10, in that case, I want to say give me column number 2, or else we're going to grab column number 3, which would give us the discounted rate. So then I'm going to say enter, and you can see here now this starts to match. If I say here 11, it changes, and if I say here 5, there we are, it changes and corresponds nicely. So what I'm going to do is basically this if statement, I'm going to copy this, and then I go back here to the discount, or to this formula of the Vlookup. I'm going to click here on the formula builder, and I'm going to say instead of this hard-coded column number, index number, I'm going to put in here our soft-coded function of the if statement. Click on done, and now it starts to work. Let's close this, and just change this. Let's make this 10, and you can see here it gives us a 10% discount. Let's confirm that if we select the kiwi, will it change the price as well? And you can see here the discount is now 3% instead of 10. And of course, if I make this 9, it will jump back to 0. And that's it.